In the last video, we learned how to cut, weed, and prep our vinyl material. In this video, we'll show you how to apply it. First, and critically important, clean and completely dry the surface you'll place the vinyl on. Use a cleaner that does not leave a residue. Now remove the liner from the transfer tape. Your image will remain. Next, position your image on your jar so it's perfectly in place. Working from the center to the edges, press firmly on the transfer tape. Or burnish with your Cricut scraper to remove any bubbles. When it's perfectly smooth, start at one corner and, using a rocking motion from side to side, slowly remove the transfer tape, pulling at an angle. If the vinyl does not release from the tape, replace it and burnish the image until the vinyl adheres. Repeat this process until each piece of vinyl is applied. And there you have it. Looks great! For more Cricut tips, how-tos, and project ideas, join us at youtube.com/officialcricut.